Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Aglasam School. So today in this video we are going to cover a new chapter from class 10th, and the subject which we are doing is English, and the book from which we are doing is Footprints Without Feet. So let's start with chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is The Thief's Story. So guys, let's come to the first topic, that is read and find out from page number 8. To turn the book to page number 8, so let's come to question number 1, which says, who does I refers to the story? So the answer for the same is, in this story, I refers to the thief. Let's come to question number 2, which says, what is he a fairly successful hand at? So the answer for the same is, he was a fairly successful hand at stealing and robbing people. Let's come to question number 3, which says, what does he get from Anil in return for his work? So the answer is, when Hari asked Anil if he could work for him, Anil said that he could not pay him. Finally, the agreement was that if he would cook, then Anil would feed him. However, Anil soon found out that he did not know how to cook. Therefore, he taught him how to cook and later how to write his name. He promised he would teach him how to write whole sentence and how to add numbers. Apart from this, when Hari went out to buy the day's supplies, he would make a profit of ₹1 a day. So this is all for question number 3. Now let's come to the next, that is page number 10. The topic is read and find out. So here question number 1 is, how does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? So the answer for the same is, the thief thought that on discovering the theft, Anil's face would show a touch of sadness. The sadness would not be for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. Now, let's come to question number 2, which says, what does he say about the different reaction of people when they are robbed? So the answer for the same is, in his short career as a thief, he had made a study of men's faces when they lost their goods. He said that the greedy men showed fear, the rich man showed anger, and the poor man showed acceptance. Now, moving to next from the same page, page 10, read and find out. Question number 3 is, does Anil realize that he has been robbed? So the answer is, yes. Anil had realized that he had been robbed. He knew this probably because all the notes were wet and damp from the rain. However, he did not say anything to the thief and behaved normally. So this is all for question number 3. Moving to the next, that is think about it, from page number 13. Here question number 1 says, what are Hari Singh's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? Hint, compare for example the thought, I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. With these later thought, whole sentence, I knew cloud one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. What make him return to Anil? So the answer is, initially when Anil offered to educate him, he thought of it as a bright prospect from himself. He knew that once he could write such as an educated man, there would be no limit to what he could achieve in his field. For him, the motivation behind getting educated was robbing people. However, later, when he had stolen Anil's money and then missed his train in which he would have escaped, he realized that he had completely forgotten about the whole sentences that Anil had promised to teach him to write. He thought about getting educated in a different light. He thought that it was a simpler matter to steal and be caught, but to be a really big, clever and respected man was something else. He was inspired by trusting and simple nature of Anil. This motivation to earn someone's trust and be respectable made him return to Anil. So this is all for question number 1. Moving to the next question, that is question number 2. From the same page, page number 13, think about it, which says, why does not Anil hand the theft over the police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what ways is Anil different from such employers? So the answer is Anil does not hand over the thief to the police because he realized that Hari had learned his lesson and had changed for the better. Otherwise, he would never have come back and kept the money at the same place from where he had stolen it. Anil even knew how Hari cheated him of a rupee a day while buying the day's supplies, but he never said anything to him. This is such a case where most people would have handed him over the police. Anil was different from such employers because he was a modest and trusting man. He had offered to teach Hari how to cook and also to educate him. When he found out that Hari had stolen the money but had kept it back, he knew that it was Hari's conscience that had made him do so. Hari could have easily run off with the money, but he did not. This made Anil give him another chance and built him into a better person that he could already see him becoming. So this is all for question number 2 and the video 2. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends to get updates for more NCERT solutions like this. And the most important part of the video is don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Aglasem School. We'll see you in the next video with more content. Till then, take care. Bye bye.